southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sunbury to near Westerville to Minerva Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Gahanna, Worthington, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Minerva Park, Hanover, Granville South, Martin, New Albany, Jersey, Galena, Alexandria and Hartford. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 116 and 120. Now for the official national weather.